you are worried about your sperm, and if you are struggling with fertility or boosting your sperm, is the same way researchers are also worried, because it seems like most men are currently having low sperm count, and there are things they have found out to be the major 5 things that are causing the low sperm count, or things that are actually killing the male sperms. And in this video, if you stick with me, I'm going to tell you the 5 main things that are killing the sperms. And the 5th point is actually what we do on daily basis. I promise you, you might even be doing one now. My name is Dr. Samuel Ologo, and on this channel we take major health issues and then we bring it here, we break it down. In smoking and alcohol, these are 2 very dangerous chemicals that are not permitted into the body, but if it enters into your body, what it does is that it causes damage to the sperm chromosomes or the DNA of the sperm. Also, low quality in the sperm. How does this happen? There is something we call incomplete combustion of oxygen. This is when the oxygen in the blood, which is supposed, or the red blood cell, which is supposed to carry the oxygen along, tends to battle with other chemicals for a space on the red blood cell, which means the scrotum, the testis, the testicle is not going to receive the right amount of blood which is being pumped, which means it's going to lack nutrients, it's going to lack oxygen. To correct this, you need to cut down significantly the amount of smoke or alcohol. This leads us to this point: poor diet and processed foods. Talking about these, such as high sugar diets, junk foods, trans fats, oils, etc. Now, what happens with this is that there is increased level of sugar in the body, that is blood glucose, also, which means we need to increase insulin production. When insulin is produced abundantly, there is cortisol also produced. What did I say earlier? The cortisol is able to cause low testosterone. Switch your meal to these 4 particular things: omega-3, vegetables, fruits, and whole foods. Make sure it's not processed. Using plastics, pesticides, and heavy metals all have impact on the sperm health. Instead of these, why don't you switch to use of glass, stainless steel bottles? Wash your fruits, vegetables, and avoid excess. The most important and common thing that we are all doing, and it's causing us to kill our sperms and leading to the extinction of mankind, is heat and tight clothing. Now, these 2 things, let me tell you what. With heat, it comes with hot tubs, saunas, and tight underwear, which increases the testicular temperature. When it comes to the high temperature, it causes lower sperm count and motility. The scrotum is outside the human body for one reason: because of temperature, so that when the sperm is produced and it comes in there for storage, it doesn't get distracted, it doesn't destroy the DNA, it doesn't cause harm to the sperm. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll urge you to kindly hit on the subscribe button, like, and put in a comment if you've enjoyed it. Also, I have this video here that actually explains how to increase your testosterone levels just with diet.